Welcome back to another van life adventure in Perranporth. This place is massive. We explored some amazing rock structures, caves, adits, tin mines, waterfalls, and even a bath carved into a cliff. Stay tuned to find out what that was all about. This truly was the best day ever. We even got wet feet and sand in our toes and found the cave of many colours and the legendary chapel pool. But first, it's time for a cuppa and a bit of breakfast before we start this epic day. Right, just got down to Perranporth. And car park there is £7.50 for 4 hours. There's a lovely sunny day. Got through the tornado last night, didn't we? Tornado Alley. And this is our first experience of Perranporth. Let's go and explore. There you go. There's the original surfboards. Yeah. Right, we are down on the beach. See who can find the first bit of sea glass. What do you reckon, mate?
I reckon you, because I haven't got
She ain't got her specs. We're just going to check out the Chapel Rocks. There's a tin mine over there. Spin you around. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free! Watch the seaweed, slippery. Danger, this is a bit of us. Go on, get up there. Go on, Dora. Dora. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. You may have seen this on Instagram, people. This is Arch Rock, located on the southwestern end of the beach. Oh, look, there's another entrance there. Absolutely unbelievable down there. Beautiful. Found ourselves in a predicament, people. We're trapped. We are trapped. So we've had to ditch the boots. Ready? I'm staying in. That's not bad. Good day. This is the famous chapel pool, which was built in 1958. It was originally intended as a safe environment for local children to learn to swim. The pool is naturally refreshed twice daily by the tide. The best time to visit the Chapel Rock pool is within 2 hours of low tide. Yes, boy. This beach is absolutely massive. Now, we've just done Chapel Pool. Now we are going to walk all the way down there. We've still not found any sea glass yet, have we, mate? No. Sorry about the wind noise on this. It is windy. Pony ride on the beach.
Oh yeah. Remember the donkeys?
Yeah.
Platform.
Haven't seen that for a while. So we've got an hour till low tide. Hour till low tide. So we've got to get over there, and then it's the furthest out it's going to get. So we're trying to get as far down. I haven't seen one bit of sea glass yet. All the way down there. Lovely day. Sea's crashing in. Oh, it's windy, but it's not that cold. But we have got plenty of layers on. Perranporth is a top-rated place. It's definitely one to come back to in the summer. I mean, look at the sand. Golden sands all the way down. And you've got all your cliffs. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful place. And we're staying in Travella campsite in New Crantock. So it's a 15-minute drive from the campsite to here, which wasn't too bad, although one of the roads was dead narrow, wasn't it? These dodgy Cornish roads. Rough as you like. Sketchy. But I'm looking forward to coming back here on a hot day. It's a winner. Perranporth is a hit for us. That's for sure. First time here. That definitely won't be the last time. Get yourselves down to Perranporth. I mean, and for dogs, there's dogs everywhere. Yeah, it's beautiful. Plenty of dog walkers. And that's a long beach as well, isn't it? So what we're hoping is, the lowest point when the tide goes out, that's where the sea glass should be. But we haven't found any yet. I reckon Google done us dirty, telling us there's sea glass is the best beach for it. Come on then, Dora. Try not to get the camera wet for all this jizzle jazzle drippage. Ugh. There's a lot of water on the floor. Ah, it's filled in down there. That was a winner. We're finding loads of mines though down on Perranporth. We've got one to go back to. It's an uppie though. Yes, we found a few mines filled in. That one was full up with rocks. The tides washed up the rocks up. Got one more to go back to. I did go in, but another guy went in there before me. And it's an uppie and there's a lot of water coming down. And we found one at the beginning that I nearly went and stepped across, but my eyes hadn't adapted to the darkness. And then when it cleared, there was just a drop. Like, it would have been brown bread. Couldn't even see it. It went on, but it looked like it was only a short gap. I could have jumped it, but my knees went when I saw how deep it was. Right, onwards. Let's find some more adits and caves. Ah, the bust. Nice cave, eh? Got These baths were created around 1782 for Lady Basset. They were designed to be fed by natural springs, although I tasted the water and it definitely was salty. There are 6 to 8 small rock cut baths which exist and are hidden around the Cornish coasts. Right at the top of a cliff, little bathtub. There you go. See it all, don't we? About to bend the shoes off again. Look at that. Mr. Cuttlefish. Let's go. Massive cave, eh? Oh, is that ferns? What? It's ferns going up there, look. Yeah, load of ferns. This is colder than that other water, isn't it? Oh, on my feet.
Do you reckon that's how cold that chapel pool is?
Probably.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Beautiful day in Perranporth. Yeah, that's me out of it. Yes. I want to go up there and see what's in that bit. Well, that's deep there as well, isn't it? Some of these rock pools are well deep. Yeah, I bet they are. We've got to come back here in the summer, definitely.
Like a little swimming pool.
Mm. Oh my god. Is that the Goonies rock? The chains. And see there's another one at the top. Can't get in that one, it's gated up. Don't think I can climb up that one. Look at the colours in there. And this is the famous Cave of Many Colours. Sounds like there's a lot of water coming down this cave. This cave is located on the southwestern end of the beach. Hi. Some colours in there, aren't there? Some colours. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, there's an adit.
It's quite high.
Oh, no. Yeah. Fucking. Wet feet. Oh, what's that in there? Loads of timber. Reg. Sea glass. It's a new bit though. Bit of green. Cool. Oh, it goes back quite a ways. There's some stuff for tide. So, a bit shipwreck. Oh, well done. Done that before, ain't you? Yeah. Lovely. What a day, eh? Easter Sunday. In the middle.
Sunday.
Yeah, in the middle of the Jurassic world, it feels like. Oh, lovely day. Where's this lead then?
Oh.
It is like a hobbit's den, isn't it?
Oh. Where is he?
Oh, this is definitely man-made. Little smuggler's tunnel. Oh, that's cold.
Oh. Oh, no.
Oh. Oh. I love it. He comes through here mooting. That'd be us.
Oh. It's underneath your pair of hands.
Oh, yeah.
Shoes for hands.
Whoa, that's a deep order. Oh.
Oh, not how much more my feet.
Oh, that's deep. Greg, you didn't tell me. Oh, she's left me. I've got my trousers wet. Oh. There's a big hole there. It went above my knees. Where's our fellow explorers?
Oh, stop.
Do you want to put your shoes back on?
Just
Put your shoes on. Be careful. Oh, this is the best day ever. Oh. Put your shoes back. I'm going to wet myself. Stop it. What an absolutely beautiful day on a beautiful beach. Couldn't have had a better day if we tried. Let's get the chapel for it. Right, how much for these? £15, Amazon. £15. Plain grill. We've got some heat on that meat. Cheers, everybody. Happy camping. Brilliant. Hit me with some duvets. Getting the van in stealth mode. Good little find. Shouldn't have up there, I'll struggle getting down. I was going to slide off the cliff. Oh God, this is cosy, honestly, already. Sleep mode. Nice sunny day, Easter Sunday. Nice sunny day tomorrow, we're off to Hollywell Bay. Join us next time where we find some sea glass on Hollywell Bay. Filming location for HBO's House of the Dragon. Love the life you live. We are the Wanderers and we thank you for watching.